Alright, so I've had this truck for a few years now, and last time I was towing, it started making this weird whining sound only during heavy acceleration. I'm trying to figure out what it could be. My guess is probably a blade or vane on the turbo might be broke. I just checked for exhaust leaks and it's still doing the noise. So as I come over this bridge, you guys listen and tell me what you think it might be. Does it with my foot on the gas. Yeah, my guess would be either a broken blade on the compressor wheel or maybe shaft play. I have yet to take it apart to actually look, but I just want another opinion before I do. Thanks, guys.